I'm Dr. Jeanelle de Gruchy and I'm Director of Public Health for Tameside. Well, unfortunately, the concerning situation is that the number of COVID cases in Tameside are starting to increase again, and we're particularly seeing an increase in cases in younger people. Variants of concern are circulating in Greater Manchester, and I'm sure you've all seen that one borough is experiencing a really rapid rise in cases of COVID, which is a reminder to us all that the pandemic is far from over. With our interconnected communities and with increased mixing following the easing of some restrictions recently, there is a very real risk of a high number of people becoming infected with the new variant. I'd advise everyone to be cautious with the number of people you come into contact with and really try to limit any mixing with different groups of people. As always, it continues to be really important that you follow the rules and that we continue to wash our hands, keep social distance from others, wear a face covering, and either meet in fresh air or let fresh air into your homes. With the further easing of restrictions planned from Monday, the 17th of May, we do expect rates will rise in Tameside, in Greater Manchester and nationally. And so I ask all of you to please remain vigilant, be careful and make your own safe and sensible decisions. I'm just going to run through what the new rules are that apply from Monday. People can meet in groups of up to 30 outdoors. 6 people or 2 households can meet indoors, but I have already mentioned about keeping windows or doors open as much as possible and preferably, please, meet outside. Overnight stays are allowed in groups of up to 6 people or 2 households. Pubs, restaurants and other hospitality venues, indoor entertainment and indoor group sports and exercise classes can reopen, but they must all follow safety rules. Our council teams are working hard with businesses and the community to help prepare for the changes so that we can support local businesses as safely as possible. But unfortunately, there will be some of you who will still get COVID despite all our efforts. Please, if you have symptoms such as a fever or a new continuous cough or the loss or change of taste or smell, get yourself tested. Visit www.tameside.gov.uk/coronavirus/testing for more information about how you can do that. If you don't have symptoms, you might still have COVID and be what we say is asymptomatic. And so that's why we recommend all Tameside residents get yourself free, regular, fast testing to check whether you do have COVID. So I'd recommend regular testing, whether you've had the vaccine or not. And these tests can also be ordered online, or you can pick them up from different venues in Tameside, including many pharmacies. Now, vaccination is a really critical way for us to manage COVID and contain the virus better. Our data shows that it is working, it is providing protection for people who get the vaccine, and it also does help reduce transmission, so whether you infect someone else. We've had fantastic uptake of the vaccine in Tameside, so please, I encourage you to keep it up. Have your jab when offered, and if you've had one and offered the second, it's really important that you have your second jab. Thanks to everyone for your hard work and commitment you've shown in continuing to stick to the rules, protecting yourselves, your loved ones, and our community. Let's all continue to work together to keep our number of cases locally to a minimum to give us the best chance possible of moving forward with our lives as quickly and as safely as possible.